Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you track your DoorDash delivery. In order to track or you can track a DoorDash delivery using a mobile app, the DoorDash website or through an automated text and email notification as well. First thing first, you want to log into your DoorDash application. Once logged in, you want to tap on the order and after which you want to find your active order and tap on it. Then you would just need to go and view your order status, estimate arrival time, and follow your dasher's location on a live map as they drive towards you. And if you need to contact your dasher directly, you could also do this by tapping the call or text button on the home screen. And that way you'll have successfully tracked a DoorDash delivery as well. Now, you could also do this by tapping on the menu bar, going to the order section. Here it is. And then you could go and track that out as well. So this is how you could track DoorDash delivery. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.